Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Do Mathematics. Today we are going to solve a really interesting limit problem from the famous black book, and trust me, this is not just any problem. It's a paragraph based question especially designed for JEE advanced level. Now if you are preparing seriously for JEE advanced, you already know that paragraph based questions are a bit tricky. They don't just test formulas, they test your complete clarity, logical thinking, and your ability to connect multiple ideas in one go. That's exactly why solving this type of problem is so important. So there is a question. Here is the question. Consider fx is equals to x raised to power ln x. Ln it means natural log of x, and gx is equals to e square x. E square times x. Let alpha and beta be two values of x satisfying fx is equals to gx, where alpha is less than beta. Then we have to solve two problems. If limit x tends to beta, fx minus c beta over gx minus beta square is equals to L, where L is finite, then value of c minus L equals to. And if hx is equals to fx over gx, then h dash alpha equals to. So first of all, we are going to find out the value of alpha and beta. So we have given f of x is equals to gx. So this implies f x raised to power natural log of x is equals to e square x. So this is, so if we take log both sides, so this is natural log of x raised to power natural log of x, and this is natural log of e square x. So this implies that this is natural log of x times this is natural log of x, and this is natural log of e square plus natural log of x. So after this, we can write this as ln natural log of x square. This is by property of natural log. We know that natural log of e square can be written as 2 times natural log of e, and natural log of e is 1. So this is 2. So this is 2. So using this, we can write this is 2 plus natural log of x. So if we can write also this as natural log of x square minus natural log of x. This is minus 2 is equals to 0. So if we take natural log of x is equals to t, then this is equals to t square minus t minus 2 is equals to 0. By factorizing this quadratic equation, this is a simple quadratic equation, we have t minus 2 times e plus 1 is equals to 0. So this implies t is equals to 2, and this is t is equals to minus 1. So this implies that natural log of x is equals to 2, and natural log of x is equals to minus 1. So this implies x is equals to e raised to power 2 and x raised to power e minus 1. So we have given that alpha and beta are the solution of the fx is equals to gx. So, and alpha is less than beta. So alpha is equals to e raised to power minus 1, and beta is equals to e square. Since e minus 1, e raised to power minus 1 is less than e square. Again, now we have to find out the value of limit, and we have given L, c minus L. We have to find out the value of c minus L. Then we know that c minus in all the options, all the values are finite. So c and L must be finite. So L must be finite. So given limit is, in first problem, we have given limit is limit x tends to beta over fx minus c beta over gx minus beta square. This is beta square. Now we observe that in denominator gx minus beta square, for x is equals to beta, this is for x is equals to beta, g beta minus beta square, this is equal to g beta minus beta square, and g is e square x. So this is e square times beta, e square times beta minus beta square, and beta is what? Beta is e square. So this is e square times e square, and this is e raised to power square times square. So this is e raised to power 4 minus e raised to power 4, 0. So if x tends to beta, then gx minus beta square tends to beta square, 0. So what we have seen here, we have observed that if x tends to beta, then gx minus gx tends to beta square, gx tends to beta square. So gx tends to beta square. So thus we observe that gx minus beta square tends to 0. So denominator tends to 0. So that we can apply here L'Hopital rule, numerator must also tends to 0. So for this fx minus what we have given, fx is equal to, so write it, f of x is equal to x raised to power natural log of x, and we can write this as e raised to power natural log of x times natural log of x, and so this is natural log of x square. Again we observe that f of beta is equal to, so f of beta is equal to e raised to power natural log of beta square. And what is natural log of beta? So beta is e square, so this is square. So this is e raised to power 2 times natural log of e square times square. So this is e raised to power 4. Sorry, this is natural log of. So this is, so natural log of e is equal to 1. So this is 2 square. So e raised to power 4. So what is f of beta? F of beta is equal to e raised to power 4. So if denominator tends to 0 and limit is finite, so L is finite, so f of beta minus c beta must tends to 0. So this implies that e, so f beta minus c beta is equal to 0 for x is equal to beta. So f of beta is equal to e raised to power 4, and beta is equal to e square, so 0. So e raised to power 4 minus c e square is equal to 0. So thus we have observed that c is equal to e square. Thus we have calculated value of c is e square. Now we have to calculate the value of L. So to calculate the limit, we have given limit x tends to beta fx minus c beta over gx minus beta square. So by applying L'Hopital rule, this is equal to L. So by applying L'Hopital rule, this is f dash x over g dash x. So limit x tends to beta. So after this denominator is non-zero, so we can apply here, this is, we can put the value of x. So this is f dash beta is equal to g dash beta. Now g dash, the value of f dash beta is, so we have seen that the fx is equal to e raised to power natural log of x square. So fx is equal to, we have analyzed that f of x is equal to e raised to power natural log of x square. So f dash x is equal to e raised to power natural log of x square 2 times natural log of x, and derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. So f dash beta is equal to, that is f dash e square is equal to e raised to power natural log of e square raised to power square, this is into t 2 times natural log of e square over, this is e square. So the value of this is, we can simplify this, this is e raised to power, so this is e raised to power 4 times 2 times, this is 2, and this is natural log of e over e raised to power square. So this is 4e square. Now the, and g dash beta is equal to, so g dash beta, so g dash beta is equal to z dash e square, and we know we have gx is equal to e square x. So g dash x is e square. So g dash beta means g dash e square is equal to e square. Now we have calculated f dash beta and g dash beta, and we have seen that f dash beta is equal to 4 times e square, and this is e square. So this is e square gets out to cancelled, and we have L is equal to 4. Thus we have calculated here L is equal to 4. Now we have to find out the value of, in the question we have to find out the value of C minus L. So we have found C is equals to, we have calculated the value of C is equals to E square, and the value of L is 4. So C minus L is equals to, so C minus L, what is C? C is E square and L is 4. So C minus L is E square minus 4. Thus answer is B. C minus L is equals to E square minus 4. Now we have second part. What is the second part? In second part we have to find out the value of hx h dash alpha, where hx is equals to fx over gx. So hx is equals to fx over gx, and fx is what? Fx is e raised to power ln x square, and gx is equals to e square x. So now we have to find out h dash x. So h dash x, so to calculate h dash x, we use here quotient rule. So h dash x is equals to gx whole square, and this is f dash x times gx, and this is minus g dash x times fx. Now what is the value of h dash alpha is equals to f dash alpha times g alpha over g alpha square minus this is g dash alpha times f of alpha. Again, f of g of alpha is equals to g of alpha is equals to e square times alpha, and e square times 1 over e. So this e cancel. So we have e. And now g of, this is g of alpha. Now g dash x is equals to e square, and g dash alpha is equals to e square. So this is g, and f of alpha is f of alpha is f of alpha e raised to power ln alpha whole square, and now we have ln alpha is 1 over e. So this is e square. So e raised to power ln minus 1 times ln e whole square. So this is equal to e. So f of alpha is e. Now what is f dash alpha? So f dash x is equals to f dash, so sorry, so f of x is equals to x raised to power ln x. So this is e raised to power ln x square. So f dash x is equals to e raised to power natural log of x square. This is the derivative of natural log of x square is 1 over x, and 2 times natural log of x. Now we have to find out the value of f dash alpha, that is f dash 1 over e. So this is equals to e raised to power natural log of 1 over e square times 1 over e, the value of alpha, and this is 2 times natural log of 1 over e. And we know we can write natural log of e as natural log of e raised to power minus 1. So this is minus 1 whole square times e times 2 times natural log of e raised to power minus 1. So this is e times 2 times minus 1. So this is equals to minus 2e square. Now we put these values in the above to calculate h dash alpha. So what we have obtained, the value of f dash alpha is minus 2e square. So this is minus 2e square, put minus 2e square, and the value of g alpha is, what is g alpha? G alpha is e minus g dash alpha is e square. This is e square. F alpha is e. So this is times e over g alpha. G alpha is e square. Now this is minus 2e cube. This is minus 2e cube minus e cube over e square. So this is minus 3e cube over e square. So this is e square. E square gets out to be cancelled, and this is minus 3e. So what we have obtained, h dash alpha is equals to So thus h dash, the value of h dash alpha is minus 3 times e. So the answer of the second question is, so answer of the second question is here D, option D, minus 3 times e. Again, if you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to give a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Let's Do Mathematics for more such JEE advanced level problem solving sessions. Also, let me know in the comments which topic do you find the most challenging in JEE, advanced, limits, integration, or probability. I'll make sure to cover that up in upcoming videos. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, in JEE, every problem you solve is a step closer to your dream IIT. See you in the next video. Thank you.